Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be talking about Tezos and whether or not it's still a buying opportunity, as well as the potential it has in the future. If you like anything I bring to you, a like, a subscribe or sharing the video really helps my channel out. I just want to say I've just reached 1,000 subscribers, so I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who has subscribed. I'm going to be giving away a Ledger Nano S or $70 worth of cryptocurrency on the 20th. Winner will be announced on the 20th of June. So if you want to be entered for that, just be subscribed to the channel, like a video, and any of my next 5 videos, comment saying anything, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So if we take a look at the current market cap, it is at $266 billion, and the market is taking a nice recovery, recovering nicely since the last 24 hours where everything had at least a 5% hit, and we are slowly recovering. This is why you shouldn't panic in the crypto market, because it is very volatile, but if you've been in it in a long time, this won't affect you at all, and you won't be bothered. But if we have a look at Tezos, it's currently trading at $2.65, and it has currently, its all-time high is $5.94. If we have a look over the last 30 days, it's currently with that downtrend moment there, but overall it was heading upwards. But apart from the downtrend there, it has been doing really well. Do I think it's too late to buy Tezos? I'm going to simply just answer this at the start so I don't drag it on. No, I do not think it's too late to buy Tezos, and hopefully I'll give you a few answers or answer a few questions as to why it's not too late. And this is one of the articles that I want to show you today. Now, analysis predicts next Bitcoin bull run will send Bitcoin to 150k and Ethereum to $9,000. Now, why am I showing you this? Now, if I go down here, this is just simply, this isn't an expert. To be fair, it is the co-founder of a cryptocurrency company called BlockFi. So he obviously does know what he's on about. He has predicted down here that Chainlink and Tezos both a target price. Big increases still are forecasted for Chainlink and Tezos, both with target price of $200, representing 4,450% and 6,800% gains, which is obviously ridiculous. Now, if you put that into perspective, if you're looking at the price now of Tezos, and that does happen, which a lot of people is saying the potential it can be, if you look at the price now and you look at what the potential could be, then no, it's simply not too late. I've been in this space for a very long time, I've been in this space since the last bull run, and to me, when people say, is it too late to buy this, is it too late to buy Bitcoin or anything like that, I simply just say no, because unless you're planning on short terming it and selling it quickly, then if you're in it for the long run, there's no point in selling. So Tezos' long-term potential is absolutely ridiculous, as you can see here, as well as Chainlink. They are both two of my favorite cryptocurrencies. They are very good and have every reason to be. I do not think it is too late to buy either. Chainlink is obviously a bit higher at the moment, but that is because it has got a lot of hype at the moment. And I want to show you this, which is another reason why I don't think it's too late. Coinbase, Polychain and Tezos meet with the SEC on blockchain. Now, down here it says the Proof of Stake Alliance, POSA, is a very niche trade association on Capitol Hill in the blockchain space. The alliance of Coinbase Custody, Cardano Foundation, Polychain and Tezos, and others such as Bison Trails, AVA, Binance US, and the Web3 Foundation, among others, look to provide regulatory clarity around how security laws at the SEC apply to certain blockchains. Now, obviously, yes, Coinbase has got a lot of bad news around it at the minute, and for good reasons. If you haven't heard about that, I can make a video about that, informing you guys why Coinbase has got a lot of bad news around it, but a lot of you would have heard about it. But to me, the potential is unreal with Tezos, simply because what they want to do is a big step. I want to show you their recent updates. Now, this is just simply their recent updates over the last 3 months. In March, the ecosystem TQ Tezos introduces the FAQ token standard. For Tezos, FA2 is Unified Token Contract interface that supports both a wide range of token types as well as multi-asset development. April 15th, 2020, the team behind Truffle Suite, one of the most popular smart contract development environments, announces Tezos support. The Truffle team will also develop a Tezos flavor ganache and fully support the Smart PY programming language. And on March 26th, 2020, Tezos Protocol, Nomadic Labs hosts an AMA Ask Me Anything on Tezos Agora to discuss the upcoming Tezos amendment proposal to add privacy preserving features to Tezos. Now, in my opinion, I've said it in multiple of my videos. Now, obviously I support a lot of cryptocurrencies that are legit. There are ones that I have more money in than others, but for me personally, I think there's going to be a couple stand out. Now, my reasoning behind it is purely because this is going to be their first bull run coming up. Now, I also think Cardano is going to have an amazing bull run. Ethereum, there's quite a few others that I think are going to have a really big bull run. But I think the Chainlink as well as Tezos, they're going to have possibly a bigger percentage bull run purely because of this is their first time getting that sort of level. And if you remember back in the day, if any of you were around back then, if not, I'll explain it to you. Cryptocurrencies like Neo, for example, it was $6 before the bull run, and then after the bull run it was over $700. So that's the sort of level of percentages we're talking, and that's why I do not think in any circumstances majority, if not all, of these cryptocurrencies are not too late to buy because of the potential they do have. And the last reason I want to show you, a lot of you already know this, but it's again another big reason as to why I think it's not too late to buy Tezos and why I think the future is very, very bright for them. Tezos and Chainlink partner up to boost development, and again, that is just massive. Chainlink is one of my favourite cryptos out there, and these two are working together. Since that news broke out, both of them increased dramatically in price, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people do realise that these two are going to be ones to watch. I'll read this out quickly because a lot of you would have already heard this. A new partnership between two major projects, Tezos XTZ and Chainlink, emerged yesterday. Yesterday's press release states that Tezos and Chainlink made a deal to let two Tezos teams access to Chainlink's Oracle network, which is it's just big in my opinion. So that's these two teaming up together. It just increases the potential for both of them even more in the next bull run as well as the next future. So no, I do not think it's too late at all. A lot of people say that it could go to 1,000, etc. Yes, I do think in time, but I think we've got to try and keep it at a level now, more realistic level. Don't get me wrong, the potential is unbelievable. People have been saying Chainlink can go to 1,000, but remember, we've got to try and beat $20 first. We've got to try and beat $5 first. So before we start saying $1,000, etc., etc., we have to beat these ones. And when we beat those ones, which I'm pretty confident we will, then we can start saying these higher numbers. But for now, I think Tezos and Chainlink, they're going to be two of the outstanding performers in the next bull run, as well as the future in general. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you today. I hope I helped at all. If you had any unsure questions, don't forget, if you want to be subscribed to the channel and you want to enter for the giveaway, don't forget to like the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment on any of my videos from this point forward, so to be entered for the giveaway. Winner will be announced 20th of June. Well, I just want to say again a massive thank you to every single one of you that have shown me support over the past 5 months since I started doing this. It really does mean a lot, and it just shows the level of support that I'm getting, and it just makes me want to keep doing it. And I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you very much for that. I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Tune in for next time. Peace.